Okay guys, so I'm here with a very different type of video. I have not done a video on this channel before, at least I don't think I have. I may have done live streams before, but that's about it. So, we got here a 3x3x7. It's the Cube4U brand. There we go, right there. I guess that's good right there. But, I'm not the best at this, but I figured I'd show you guys how to do a quick tutorial, so let's go ahead and do a quick scramble. So that is just these layers are scrambled up enough. Now we can just scramble it up like a regular 3x3, so this should be fun. Okay, so there we go. We have it completely solved now, and basically what I like to do first is I solve it in its 3x3 stage. So I'll start by making the white cross. So and I go with the tile that's on the top. Match it with the middle cap. And so we can go and put red right there. Got orange here. And then green. Nice, so we got our cross done. Now we can go and do the corners. And again, go with the tile that's on top. So there we go. And then we got one more. Alright, it's already right there, but it's turned wrong. There we go. And now we can do the edge pieces. I'm just doing this beginner's method, just to make it a little bit easier. There we go. Got green and orange right here. Alright. And here's an actually easy way of doing this. Okay. Yeah. So there we have it. We have the middle layer done. Now we just got the last layer. Now I don't know all this fancy LOL stuff, or PLL, so I just do it anyway. I can figure it out. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we already have the corners permutated correctly, so we just gotta do one edge swap. Okay, there we go. So it's solved in its 3x3 state. Now what you want to do, let's start with green. Now what you want to do, you want to look for 2 green pieces. We got one right there. We got 2 right there. So we just need 2. So basically all you do, you do L, R prime, F2, L prime, R. And then you can just get those 2 green pieces there, and do that same move again. And there you go. Now we're going to go with orange. We only have 1 piece because the other 2 are right here. Let's start with red. There we go. Now we can get these orange pieces. Finally, we can get blue. One here, and then one here. Alright. And there we go. Now we can get our corners. Let's start with orange and blue. So this is one of the corners here. Let's see if other one is here. No, we just got this one. Our other corner would be right here. Okay. So we can go ahead and get this one corner in. We're doing R2, U, R2, U per R2. And then, there we go. And we'll do that same move again to get that right back into place. Let's go ahead and do blue and red, which they're right here, so we just gotta turn that to the side. Do that same move. And then, oh, nope. There we go. And now we got that piece loose, so we can go ahead and put that in place. Okay. Let's do green blue. No. Green red. Which those are these two pieces right here. Okay, so we got, actually no, it's right there. Alright. So it's not that piece. So it must be those two. Yep. Alright, now let's get this piece in place. There we go. And that completely solves this the first 3 layers, actually first 4. Right now, we gotta see how our corners are. Let's see how many matches we have. Okay, so I got only one right there. Okay. Trying to think of the easiest way to do this. Okay, so I got, what I need to do is figure out how I can get both of these in place. So I need to let me try this. Okay, let's swap those pieces. There we go. So I got those in place. Now, we want to put these in the back. And we'll do that same, well, no. Let me figure something out. Okay. So basically I'm doing it like sort of like a checkerboard pattern. So I'll just rotate the middle layer twice. And then do this same move twice. Or is it just once? I can't remember. Okay, we still have the 2. Okay, let's see. No, nothing. Okay, so I actually got to where I want it to be. So now I just gotta figure out how I can swap these 2 corners. Which, let's try this. Okay, there we go. All of our corners are done. And if you need to know the algorithm for that, it's you hold it on the top face. It's R prime, D prime, R prime, back, or U2, then R, D, R prime, U2, R2. And that's how you rotate the corners. And that puts this over here, and this over here. So now we need to focus on orienting the edges. So you want to put the top color in line with this. We have 1 green back here. So you do that same algorithm you used to orient the layers the first time. There we go. Now we just have these 2, and an easy way to do this. Okay, I'm going to turn this here and do R, U, R, U prime, R, U prime, R, U, R prime, U, R2, and that makes these 2 pieces adjacent. I think that's right. Maybe it's parallel. But now all you gotta do is you do that move and rotate the middle 2 layers and do this move again. And there you have it, and now all you gotta do is just solve it like a regular 3x3, which should be pretty easy. You can turn right. And then there you have it. That is the Cube4U 3x3x7 tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked, just put a thumbs up down below. Comment if you want me to do any other type of tutorial video. And I'll see you dudes later.